Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. This video is made especially for Inno 15 Pro Max users. Today we will talk about call problem or call sound issue if you're facing sound issues during calls. So if this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon for more useful videos. Now let's begin.